Welcome guys to another installation review. Today we're going to be working on the DC5 and we will be doing a clutch master cylinder upgrade. I do have an upgraded clutch master cylinder on this vehicle, but unfortunately already failed. So today we're going to be reviewing the hybrid racing clutch master cylinder. So this is going to be great for your 100,000 mile plus clutch master cylinder. So this is going to give you a much true feel when you press on the clutch, and also it's gonna wear less on your clutch because now your master cylinder is not working as hard and you're getting that full press. So let's get started. Alright guys, so this is the packaging. Extremely well packaged as you expect from hybrid racing. This is the part number. I will leave it in the description below. I haven't opened it because I wanted to open it in camera and share my experience with you guys. So we're gonna open it right now. What we got right here, this is the master cylinder itself. It's sealed in this bag. It's really nice. We're gonna put this on the side, and also it comes with a braided stainless steel line that you can install part of in this kit, and so you can get rid of your rubber hose over here, and this will give you more of a true feel without expanding the rubber line, because over time with use, rubber lines usually do expand, and this is gonna keep that consistent pedal feel throughout time. So you're all set there. There's nothing else in the box. So we have the braided line and the clutch master cylinder right here. Let's take it out of the bag. Extremely nice quality. This is a OEM piece. As you can see, the stamp is right here. It does have an adjustment nut right over here, and this you can adjust your clutch and make it as responsive as possible. You have to do this, otherwise you will ruin your clutch. So make sure you do this step, it's very important. Now let's take this line out of the bag. The braided line is coated with some sort of rubber, so the braided part won't get dirty. Good quality hardware over here for sure, and also comes with the copper washers, so to prevent any leaks or anything like that. So it does come with the required hardware that you need to in order to install this package. So this is a really nice kit right out of the box. So now we're gonna move on to the installation on the vehicle. So here we are in the engine bay, and here we have the clutch fluid. We're gonna have to drain this in order to remove the clutch master cylinder. Very exciting to get this car fixed. I haven't driven it for a while due to this problem, so let's remove this, and when we can move on to removing the clutch master cylinder from inside the vehicle. Here we are inside the vehicle. We going to need a 12mm socket in order to remove the old clutch master cylinder. Remove your lower panels from the footwell. You're going to see your clutch pedal right here. If you look closely, there is the clutch master cylinder held by 12mm nuts. So you're going to remove those nuts as well as the pin holding onto the clutch pedal. We're going to try to take out this first 12mm nut. Up in here. So we're gonna get that loose real quick. So next you're gonna remove a pin that's in here. Okay, so we remove the pin right here. Now we can slide the center pin holding the clutch pedal. We're gonna remove that real quick. Just like that. So the location of the master cylinder, it's in this cavity over here. So just reach deep in there and just remove the clutch master cylinder. Let's talk about this master cylinder a little bit. This is a K-Tune master cylinder kit. It retails for about $250 around there. I don't remember. This is probably one of the first things I did when I bought the vehicle. This is about 3 years ago. I don't drive the car that much, so I put 5,000 miles on this kit actually, and it crapped out. So what was happening? The clutch pedal was getting stuck on the floor, and I was wondering why, because I mean this kit is brand new, so, and I paid full retail price. I'm not sponsored by them by any means. I am sponsored by Hybrid Racing, but I always give you a genuine review before I even started doing reviews or anything. I mean, this is my personal car. I love this car as much as you love yours, and I want the best for it. So I try to put the best parts in it. At the time, I thought this was the best, but obviously it only lasted 5,000 miles, and I'm expecting a lot more life out of the Hybrid Racing one, because by comparison, this looks so much better. This is a OEM part, so they're using OEM parts in order to upgrade your vehicle. So I think right there, it only shows the quality that Hybrid Racing is giving you right out the box. Looking at this kit, I don't see any leaks or anything like that, but I know the rod was getting sticky, so this is why I was getting a sticky clutch pedal, which is not good because that accelerates wear on your clutch. So we don't want that. So now we're gonna install this Hybrid Racing clutch master cylinder. I'm expecting a lot more life out of this, and just by the looks of it, it looks so much better in quality. And so yeah, let's get this kit installed onto the vehicle, and I'll show you the side-by-side differences. We are removing the K-tuned clutch master cylinder. There you go. Okay, so now I will show you the differences between the Hybrid Racing and the K-Tune. Alright guys, so here we have both units out of the vehicle. This is the K-Tune version. This is about 3 years old. Not much visible wear and tear. It's more internal than anything. These two parts right here are reversed. So this one right here, it's here on the Hybrid Racing, and this one, it's over here on the Hybrid Racing. So the stud differences is this one seems to be stamped in here. Like I said, this is a OEM piece, so this is Honda, but this is a Hybrid Racing version. It is built for performance. They're just using OEM parts as well. This is more of a aftermarket unit. It doesn't say K-Tune anywhere on it. So I don't know where they source these from. Hybrid Racing has a cover boot to prevent any dust or anything to go in there when you're pushing into the pedal. This one does not. This portion's right here, this one's coated and this one's not. But overall, honestly, you can just tell this one is a much higher quality, and that's just how it is. So I will be throwing this away. I don't need it anymore. It is broken. So we're gonna install this Hybrid Racing master cylinder onto the vehicle. So I'm gonna put this on the side. I'm gonna store it. So it does come with the kit, which is great. So you can replace your OEM line, so you don't have to worry about that. But I won't be using it this time because I already have one on the vehicle. So it's very simple to install. This end goes on this side right here, and then this side goes on your slave cylinder, which is located in front of your engine. So yeah, so now we're gonna move on to the installation of this master cylinder. Now we have the Hybrid Racing kit right here, ready to be installed. Like I said, I will be using the line that I already had on the vehicle, just because it's the same thing. So, but once you get the kit, you can, your OEM line, it is rubber, so you're gonna have to use the Hybrid Racing line for sure in order to get the full performance. But since I already have a braided line, it's no point on me swapping it out. So get it prepped up for installation. Take your wrench. It is good to go. Now we just install the adapter. Next, we're gonna slide the line onto it. Slide the clamp onto the line and also slide it over the kit just like this. Now we have the unit fully prepped up. We loosen this adjustment right here pretty good, so now we can slide this unit into the firewall, and now we can move on to working inside the car. We are fully installed inside. All you had to do is just reverse what I showed you earlier. Just adjust here. Once it's fully adjusted, you'll be able to slide the pin back into the pedal assembly. It's very simple to do. Just play with it a little bit and you'll be able to get it done. In the front of the vehicle, here we have the slave cylinder. So we're gonna go ahead and hook up a clear hose to it and just fill up the clutch master cylinder as much as you need to. Make sure you don't leave it on the minimum side. That's the bleeding valve right there. So you're gonna get a open wrench, loosen it up, put a clear hose on it, and just bleed it. Or if you have a speed bleeder, you can use that too, I think. All right, guys. So here we have the bleeder. I really recommend something like this because I've tried to, pump it by, the traditional way, but it doesn't really work because I guess it needs more of a suction. So we have this, very simple setup right here. We're gonna hook it up to the vehicle and get that clutch bled. As you're doing the bleeding procedure, make sure you keep an eye on the fluid level and don't let it go empty, because otherwise you're gonna have to start all over again. Alright boys, we're done bleeding the car. So now we're testing it out. We have pressure, very smooth. So the car is ready to go. We fixed the clutch master cylinder issue. Very smooth. I like it. Alright guys, there you have it. The installation was probably a 4 out of 5. It is quite difficult. You do need help bleeding the clutch. It is a 2-person job. But the rest of it, you can do it on your own. It went straightforward. I didn't really have any issues as far as the installation of the kit. I'm really happy. So it does come with a braided line, so you're all set on that end. The kit, it's well built, as you saw in the previous clips. The comparison against the K-tuned, the quality of the Hybrid Racing, it is a lot higher. So you are replacing it with a OEM quality type of product, so you won't have any issues. Like I said, I highly recommend it. I'll leave everything in the description below. So once again, thank you again for watching. I really appreciate if you hit the thumbs up and support the channel. Make sure you subscribe for more content like this. So until the next installation video, peace.